Historic figures, the struggle to overcome. You know this to be a part of Black history and American history, but so is joy. Our Canisians met stewards of our community, focused on encapsulating that joy through mental health and healing. Take a look at how they're making an impact.
Take a walk into this space.
Follow me into this first immersive room.
And you'll find
the curated gallery. We transform peculiar spaces into fine art galleries.
The basement of the old Huntsville Times transformed into a space to savor.
Savor is a mental health coping practice that we want individuals to be able to leave this space and actually utilize in their day-to-day life.
17 featured artists from North Carolina to Cameroon, Africa have their work on display for the entire month of February. 4 rooms with 4 types of savoring, Thanksgiving, luxuriating, basking, and marveling. Coordinator Jordan Fudge says this exhibit highlights Black joy and resilience, an immersive experience.
An experience where they're able to really soak and be present and enjoy, and really just what the word says, savor.
The gallery partnered with 57 Northampton, a nonprofit organization that offers mental health therapy and coping strategies. Executive Director Jana Peterson says now was the time to do this.
So we actually wanted to kind of challenge what people are seeing right now and give them an opportunity to say, no, not only do you need joy, but it's important. It's important to have joy in moments like this.
Here's a different type of space.
We want to bring back that same message to Huntsville, Alabama.
Making room for beautiful scars.
People are suffering from mental illness and addictive disease, and the whole families are affected.
Beautiful Scars, Inc. is a mobile nonprofit providing support for people suffering from mental illness. Co-founder Dr. Brian Anderson, raised in Huntsville, overcame addiction and abuse. He's on a mission, he says, to help other people heal.
So it is up to me. I've made a commitment when I was in a lockdown inpatient treatment that I'm going to spend the rest of my life giving back this word of hope and inspiration.
Anderson says this method works with peer-to-peer relationships.
You hear the story of someone who has gone through and they've used the doctor. That's the stigma's breaking down. Wait a minute, you're standing before a group of people and you're telling your story and you use the doctor? Because once again, there is a stigma attached in our African-American community.
Outreach, a key component to also helping people heal. That's why Beautiful Scars has partnered with Grateful Recovery, a counseling services specialist.
Our relationship with Beautiful Scars is an outreach opportunity to reach out to anybody who wants to receive that help. So we're reaching out together, and the more people who reach, the longer your reach becomes.
Spaces to heal and spaces to overcome. A chapter also included in Black history.
When you think of Black history, a lot of that had to do with mental health, like how people were oppressed and just the struggles throughout, the last century through that. So a lot of the art that we curated either focuses on mental health or highlights a moment within Black history.
Ultimately, Black history is our history. It's everyone's history.
In Huntsville, Kenesha Dees, Fox 54 News.
Savor is the curated gallery's 7th exhibition. Beautiful Scars, Inc. co-founder Brian Anderson is in Atlanta now, but he's looking to do more work in Huntsville.